Now let's discuss question number 74. So this question states here T is related with a number 441 and further M is coded as 196 and O is coded with 256 and we have to find the code for letter W. So let's solve this question. So first we'll write the position of this letter T. We know that the position of letter is 20th in English alphabet and we can see that this number 441 is a square of 1 more than the position of this letter. That means the square of 21. We are getting 441. This is the coding pattern of all the given letters. Similarly, we can code M, which is at 13th position of English alphabet, and the number 196 is the square of 1 more than the position of this letter M. So we can write 13 plus 1 square and it can be written as 196. So if you follow the same pattern, the letter W, which is at 23rd position in English alphabet, so the coded number will be the square of 1 more than the position of this letter 23. So we are obtaining 24 square. That means 576 is the correct answer for this question. So we can mark here option number 1 is correct and the answer for this question is option number 1. So I hope you understood this question. Now let's move forward to the next question. Now let's solve question number 75. This question states complete the following pattern by choosing the correct option. And we have a number series. The numbers are 5, 15, 50, 120, 235 and 405. And we have to find the number which comes after this 405. So first we can write the given numbers 5, 15, then we have 50, then 120, 235 and then 405. We have to find the next number. Clear? So we can see that here the numbers are increasing by very small amount. So we can check the difference between two consecutive terms. So let's find the difference between 5 and 15. This is equal to 10. Further, the difference is 35. And further we can check the difference. This is 70, 120 and 235. The difference is 115. Clear? And when we find the further difference between 405 and 235, the difference is 170. Clear? So in the same way we have to find the missing number, but we are not getting any particular pattern. But when we find the difference of the differences, then we'll get a particular pattern that we'll obtain the missing number of the given sequence. So the difference of 35 and 10, we are getting 25. Clear? And the difference of 35 and 17, we are getting 35. That means 10 more than the previous difference. Clear? And when we find the difference of 70 and 115, we are obtaining 45. That means again 10 more than the preceding number. Clear? And further, the difference between 170 and 115, we are obtaining here 55. Clear? So the next difference will be 65 as per the given pattern. So the next here in the second series, we have to find the next term will be 65 more than 170. Clear? So we can write here this is 235 more than the last number. That means the missing number will be 235 more than 405 and the correct option will be 405 plus 235. So 640 is the correct answer for this question. So we can mark here the answer for this question is option number 2. So the answer for this question is second option. So I hope you understood this question. Now let's move forward to the next question. Now let's discuss question number 76. This question states given two figures A and B have a definite relation. That means this question is based on analogy test. Further, it is given that choose an option for figure D which has similar relation with figure C. So first we have to find the relation between A and B and then we have to apply the same pattern, same relation for figures C and D. So first let's find the relation between A and B. So in figure A you can see that we have 5 circles, clear, 5 concentric circles, and in figure B we can see that again we have 5 circles. We can see that 4 smaller circle and this one is larger circle. But we are getting a pattern. Here the larger circle is overlapping the remaining 4 circles partially. Clear? And we are getting one more thing here. The region inside this larger circle, the opposite region, are shaded. One pair of opposite region is shaded. Clear? Now we have to apply the same pattern for figure C and D to find the correct answer. So in figure C we can see that we have 5 squares, similar like the 5 circles in figure A. So we have to arrange these 5 squares in such a way the one larger square overlap remaining 4 squares partially. But we are getting in all 4 options the same pattern. But we have one more thing here, the opposite shaded region. So we can check here in the 4th option we are getting the opposite shaded region. So that's why this option is correct and this is the answer for this question. So here 4th option is the correct answer for this question. So you can mark the answer for this question is option number 4. So I hope you understood this question. Now let's move forward to the next question.